Christchurch, a funeral prayer was performed for the victims of the 2 terrorist attacks. The President of New Zealand ordered a 2-minute silence, and in solidarity with the Muslims, the women were asked to wear a headscarf. The President of East Turkestan Information Center Caracas expresses his gratitude. Only if we stand together we can end the terror. Just like in New Zealand, Uyghurs in East Turkestan are arbitrarily arrested and killed. It does not matter if it concerns state terror or group-related terror. Both can only be fought if the East and West powers work together and no longer allow terrorism in their middle. Communist China plans to invite European diplomats to visit China's internment camps, which are cleansed of all unpleasant things for the visitors. The state aims to convince the visitors of a harmless situation, so they should convince themselves of the well-being of the Uyghurs. When and where the diplomats are being brought is still unknown, and the names of the interlocutors have not yet been published. Due to massive environmental damage, Albert Del Rosario, former Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Philippines, and Morales, former Chief Public Inspector, sue the Chinese president of the construction of the South China Sea by the International Court of Justice. In Brussels, many European leaders met for a meeting that focused on Brexit. Already in advance, Theresa May said that even after Brexit it would be possible to negotiate common interests. Donald Trump demanded to officially and legitimately hand over the Golan Heights to Israel. The United Nations strongly criticizes this demand of the American president. The Golan Heights, which is legally owned by Syria, have been illegally occupied by Israel since 1967.